We looked at critical reviews and user recommendations, then performed heavy research in order to narrow down our list of the best chainsaws. There are numerous items accessible to chainsaws. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best chainsaws from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Dual 20V Max XR Chainsaw. Cordless chainsaw comes with a low kickback 12-inch bar and chain for construction and outdoor cutting applications. Compact, lightweight design, just 9 pounds with battery, of the battery chainsaw for maximum user control. High-efficiency brushless motor of the battery-powered chainsaw maximizes runtime and motor life. Up to 90 cuts per charge on 4x4 pressure-treated wood using a 20V Max 5Ah battery. Tool-free chain tensioning and bar tightening knob for proper bar clamping force. Part of the 20V Max system of tools. Bare tool battery and charger not included. Number 2. Oregon CS 1500 18-inch chainsaw. 15A electric chainsaw with integrated self-sharpening system, PowerSharp. The perfect chainsaw for homeowners with a long-lasting 18-inch guide bar. PowerSharp self-sharpening system minimizes downtime by sharpening your chain in 3 to 5 seconds. Ergonomic design features chain brake for safety. Lightweight design. Allows you to adjust your chain quickly and easily, so that you can maintain the perfect tension for the ideal cut, with next to no maintenance. Automatic oiling system that provides continuous lubrication to the bar and chain from the oil tank. It keeps the chain lubricated for less friction, to extend the life of your chain even in harsh environments. Corded electric chainsaw gets to work immediately. Low noise. Makes less noise than a gasoline chainsaw. No assembly required, chainsaw comes pre-assembled. All certified and comes with 2-year warranty. Number 3. Mini chainsaw 6-inch with 2 battery. The motor smoke and battery fault issue has been resolved, and this batch has been upgraded. Please rest assured to buy. Only takes about 4 seconds to cut a log with a diameter of 63. The specific value varies with the actual size and hardness of the wood. 2-pack 21V removable and rechargeable 3000 mAh lithium battery. Lithium-ion batteries with self-overload and temperature protection provide a much longer battery life. Due to a 0.7 kg slim body, small in size, comfortable to hold, and convenient access to all places. Very suitable for women and the elderly, and will not feel tired after a long time of use. Provides your tool with longer run time, more torque, and more power, which leads to less wear and tear, extending the lifetime of the tool. All products we sell support 45 days of 100% satisfaction and a 1-year warranty to ensure you have the best experience. In the process of using the product, if you have any suggestions for the product, leave us a message. Number 4. Worx WG309 8-amp 10 electric chainsaw. A pole saw for trimming branches from trees, and a regular chainsaw for projects on the ground. At 8 amps, you'll get consistent performance and reliability from this streamlined machine. Rated voltage. 120V 60 Hz. The automatic oiler will always have the chain operating at peak efficiency for faster, more controlled cuts. At only 10 pounds, this saw is designed to be held up high and to be maneuverable once it gets up there. Worx tools are engineered with cutting-edge technology and above modern efficiency standards, so you can build a cost-effective tool collection that's been designed to last. The pole attaches quickly and offers up to 10 feet of reach, so you don't have to stand on a ladder to trim branches. 10 chainsaw, 8-foot extension pole, chain bar, blade protection cover. Number 5. Husqvarna 450R 450 Rancher Gas Chainsaw. Husqvarna 20-inch 450 Rancher Gas Chainsaw is ideal for tasks such as tree pruning, yard cleanups and firewood cutting. The 3.2 HP X-Torque engine reduces both fuel consumption and gasoline emissions. Low vib anti-vibration system reduces vibration levels for the operator. Effortless starting helps the chainsaw start quickly with minimum effort. Automatic oilers deliver a steady supply of chain lubrication for safe and effective use. Air injection air cleaning system removes larger dust and debris particles before reaching the air filter, improving engine life. Simple, side-mounted tensioning system allows for quick adjustments while working. Effortless start. Automatic oilers deliver a steady supply of chain lubrication for safe and effective use.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.